Hello, beach friends. I'm at the beach once again, my favorite place to be. Let's take a look and see what the ocean is doing for us. You could smell the salty air, the ocean air as I was approaching the beach, so that's good. The waves don't seem to be too bad as of yet. And we are here, negative tide, so I am happy to be here. And let's go and find some wonderful shells. And down here is my favorite spot to be. There's a big pile right here by the rocks. So we're gonna go and investigate that. All right, my friends. We can make a pendant out of this for sure. The hole is already there. This is a slipper shell. Because it looks like a slipper. We're not going to take her today. Aha! Orange! See when you touch it with water? How it brightens up? Part of a clamshell. Nice find. Do you hear the ocean? The roar? That is relaxing. But you gotta pay attention because you're too busy shelling. You forget, and the ocean's right there and it can sweep you away. But it's beautiful. Oh. There's another piece of orange coral. Brighter than usual. There it is. Beautiful. Something that I like too about the sand is how the water carves out these little trenches, I guess. It's beautiful. So intricate. Wow, nature's beautiful. We finished from our little shell pile there. Now we're going to head this way here. See what we can find. We have a turkey wing here. But she's a bit damaged right there, so we're not going to take her. Leave it for someone else, another sheller. Only to try and take the best ones. Alright, what we have here is fossilized wood. And it's quite heavy, but it's beautiful. We'll take this one. There we go. There we go. Favorite shell. This piece of wood, a notch out of something interesting. Look, the water's coming up. Here, an auger. This one here looks interesting. Alright guys, let me drop my bag of shells. Look what I see here. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Beautiful. Wow. No way. No way. No way. I know the name of this shell, but it's, that's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my, I have not seen one like this before. These usually are in Florida, not here in Nicaragua. And it's been around, it's lost its color. Wow. Oh, I forget the name of them. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Oh wow. Oh, if you know the name, please let me know. Remind me. But I know the name. Oh. But it's beautiful. It's traveled all the way. Wow. Beautiful. Someone must have returned these shells here. I often go through my stash of shells and return what I don't need. So it gets back into the ecosystem of the ocean. That's a beautiful auger. Wow, look at the colors. Beautiful brown. It's got the end part not broken. Rich color. Now that's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Look at this shell. Look how vibrant red it is. Oh, beautiful. Now I don't see a lot of these around because they're very thin and they break so easily. But look at this one. The sand preserved it. Beautiful. Wow. Right there. Wow. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Well, my friends, I am finished shelling today. My bag is full, my heart is full, I'm relaxed, beautiful beach walk, a lot of beach wash up. It's just nice to go through, walk it, and see what I can find. And that shell that I found, oh my goodness. If you know the name of it, put it down in the comments below. But I am going to be headed home now, my friends. And I'll show you what I picked up. Bye! Hi, my beach friends! This is what I picked up on today's morning walk. Let's go over them. Beautiful orange coral shell here. Beautiful. Now you can get these, find them on the beach, really big like my hand or smaller pieces, but this is beautiful. And this one here is another piece of coral. It's beautiful, like bright red. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but that is really nice. Picked up this shell. It was buried in the sand. It's pretty dark. This one here, perfect for jewelry making. This also is a piece of clamshell, but look, it's got the hole right there, so I can put a cord in that and you've got yourself a necklace. Augers, try to pick up the best ones, not everything. We try to leave some shells on the beach, rather shellers and other creatures. So we've got a couple of those. Got here a beautiful top snail. Try to pick up the best looking ones. And a whole bunch of my cowries that I like. This shell here, it's very fragile, it's very thin, but it's so vibrant. Look at the color on it, man. Pick this up from the beach, hair ties, hair scrunchies. I always find those, so put them in the trash. This here is fossilized wood, quite heavy. But look how it is. Wow. Beautiful. Picked up this shell here. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, it needs some cleanup, but it's beautiful. One more of these ones, the cone shells. I like them with a bit of color on them. Picked up this piece of wood. I'm always finding interesting pieces of wood. So obviously it broke apart. It was attached and it broke apart. So quite interesting. Don't know what I'll use that in. And the best shell of the day. Look at that. That is a gorgeous. I mean, it's been around and been out. It's lost its color. I don't know. I don't think I have a shell like this in my collection. I believe these are from Florida. But look at the spiral on that. Gorgeous. Wow. So yes, I'm happy, happy, happy. All right, my friends, that's what I picked up on today's walk. So if you like this video, please subscribe, leave comments, hit that like button and share. And I'll be seeing you on the next fantastic shelling beach journey. Bye, friends.